The Kenmore DS4095 Cordless stick vacuum is impressively lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Its innovative EasyReach Wand feature allows you to clean under furniture effortlessly with just a push of a button. The vacuum boasts powerful suction capabilities, effectively tackling dirt on both carpets and hard floors. With an extended runtime of over 40 minutes, you can clean larger areas without frequent recharging. The LED headlight and swivel steering nozzle ensure no dust is left behind, even in dimly lit areas. For added convenience, the vacuum converts into a handheld device for cleaning tight spaces and upholstery.